Hello everyone, this is lesson number 40, HSK 3, part 14 in your books. And let's start. The first word for today is 菜单, menu. 菜单, you know, it's some food, some vegetables, has a bit different meanings. Dan, it's like list. So list of your food, list of things you bought in restaurant, you can buy in restaurant. So I look at the menu to order food. 我看菜单点菜. So 我看 I look at the 菜单 menu. 点 here's 点 it's to order. We know 点 it's like 有点 for example a bit, or 四点钟四点半 as time, but here is 点. Sometimes also it's a dot, but here's to order, because when you order something in the restaurant, you point at the menu with your finger, and so you can say like dot 点. So 我看菜单点菜. I look at menu 看菜单 to order food 点菜. As you can see, 菜 here is a food, so 菜单 list of food available in the restaurant. Pretty logic. 我看菜单点菜. Next one, the menu is on the table. 菜单在桌子上. 菜单 menu 在 at 桌子上. 桌子 table, so 在 works together with 上 to create on the table, on the something. So 在桌子上. 菜单在桌子上. 桌子上. The menu is on the table. Next one. The waiter brings the menu. 服务员拿来菜单. 服务员 it's the waiter. 服务员拿 it's to bring. 来 it's to come, but here's represent direction, the movement toward us. Like 拿来 to bring towards us. 拿来菜单 menu, the menu. So 服务员拿来菜单. 服务员拿来菜单. The waiter brings the menu. 拿来. Next word it's 盘子. 盘子 plate. Let's see. The plate is very clean. 盘子很干净. 盘子很 is very 干净 clean. Be careful, sometimes 盘 could be a measure word, for example a plate of food, a plate of something, but if we can see 子 盘子 it's the plate by himself, by itself. 盘子很干净. The plate is very clean. 干净 干净. I take a plate, or I bring a plate. 我拿一个盘子. 我拿 I bring 一个碗，一个盘子 plate. So 我拿一个盘子 盘子 Next one. There are bananas on the plate. 盘子里有香蕉. 盘子里 inside of plate. 盘子里 so inside of something. So on the plate here. 盘子里 inside of plate, on the plate. 有 has, or there are 香蕉 it's bananas. So 香 it's a smell, like good smell. 蕉 it's some As you can see on the top, there is a cao. It's character represented some grass, some connected with plants. So it's Qiao. It's just one of types of food, one types of plant. So it's just biological meaning, biological term. So term. 香蕉 banana. So 盘子里有香蕉. There is a bananas on the plate. Next one is 节目program or show. 节 and mu it's like mu it's like eyes as I this one. 节目 I like this program. 我喜欢这个节目。节 has a lot of different meanings. So right now it's not so important. So just 节目 it's program, show, TV program. 我喜欢这个节目 I like. 我喜欢这个 this 节目 program. 我喜欢这个节目。The show is very simple. 节目很简单。节目 the show and is very 简单 simple 简单 as you can see it's also the same dan in the word 菜单 but because it's one of the meaning at least one of simple of course Chinese characters in modern language not so many there is a lot of different meanings because for example this one 茄 has a lot of different meanings but before in old Chinese one character could be dozens of different meanings. So now it's of course more easier. 节目很简单 The show is very simple. 简单 Next one, he watches the show and is very happy. Oh, and he feels very happy. You can say. 他看节目很开心。他看 he watch 节目 the show and is very happy and he feels very happy. 很开心 just this short version. Just 很开心 is very happy. 他看节目很开心 because if he watches happily, you can say 他看节目看得很开心 like this one, but it's a bit another meaning. 很开心 Next one is 月亮 moon. 月 it's it's a month or a month, but sometimes also moon because months connected with cycle of moon in old Chinese. 亮 it's to light, to shine. So like light of moon or just moon. 月亮 Let's see. The moon is very beautiful. 月亮很漂亮 As you can see, here's 亮 and this 亮 they kind of similar because character is similar, but as you can see, pronunciation is a bit different, but it's not so not so big difference. Just as you can see. Oh, okay. Next one. Okay, for now we'll skip. 月亮很漂亮 The moon is very beautiful, 很漂亮 But keep in mind this tones are different. Next one, the moon comes out at night. 晚上月亮出来了。晚上 at night 晚上 or after evening or in evening at night 晚上月亮 moon 出来了，出来 is to come out. As you remember from our previous chapter, there is a 出来 to come out. 晚上月亮出来了 the moon comes out at night. 出来了 and here is the I think just for change of situation. So before it's not was come out, now it's come out. So 晚上月亮出来了，出来了。Next one, the moon is as bright as the sun. 月亮像太阳一样亮。So here's 月亮 the moon. Here is 像 here is 像 is like something. For example, I looks like you. So this one 像 like or s works together with 一样 it's equally or the same. You can say like 太阳 is the sun, so the moon like sun, the same. 亮 it's like bright or as bright as the sun. 月亮像太阳一样亮，一样亮。So this 像 often comes with 一样。But we will this one I think we will meet in future. 月亮像太阳一样亮。So be careful because here is 太阳 but here is 一样 the fourth one. Next one is 冰箱 refrigerator. 冰 it's ice, 箱 it's a box. So ice box, refrigerator. There are bananas in the refrigerator. 冰箱里有香蕉。冰箱里 inside of a refrigerator 有 there is 香蕉 bananas 香蕉。冰箱里有香蕉。Next one. I open the refrigerator to get water. 我打开冰箱拿水。我打开 I open 打开打 it's to hit 开 it's to open but they together mean open. So 我打开 maybe you can imagine like hit the door and then it's open. 我打开冰箱 I open refrigerator. 我打开冰箱拿 to take to get 水 water. So 拿水 to get water. 我打开冰箱拿水 to take water. Next one. The refrigerator is very clean. 冰箱很干净。冰箱 the refrigerator and is very 干净 is very clean. 冰箱很干净 the refrigerator is very clean. And last word for today, it's our already popular word in this lesson is 香蕉 banana 香蕉。I ate a banana. Banana. 我吃了一个香蕉。我吃了 I ate 我吃了一个one 香蕉 banana. So I ate a banana. 我吃了一个香蕉。Someone could ask you, 你吃饭了吗？你吃了吗？ You can say, did you eat? Or you can say, 我吃了一个香蕉。我吃了一个香蕉。But of course, if you speak fast, you don't need to 香蕉。我吃了一个香蕉。Just not 香蕉，香 and not 香。So even if Chinese people speak fast, they also keep the tones. If you speak in English very fast, for example, I understand. You don't say I understand. You don't change the stress syllable. You just speak fast. So they also do the same. 我吃了一个香蕉。The bananas are on the plate. 香蕉在盘子上。香蕉 bananas 在 works together with 上 so on the something 在盘子上。在盘子上。As remember before we saw 盘子里 but 香蕉盘子里 you cannot say. You say 盘子里有 the inside of plate there is bananas you can say. But if you want to say on the plate, like here 香蕉在盘子上 you can say. 盘子上有香蕉 also could be, but it depends which plate. Maybe it's deep, maybe it's a bit narrow or like. And last one, it's there are bananas in the refrigerator. 冰箱里有香蕉。冰箱里 inside of a refrigerator 有 there is 香蕉 bananas. So 冰箱里有香蕉。There are bananas in the refrigerator. 冰箱里有香蕉。Of course, it's inside of the refrigerator, so we need to use 里. So let's repeat what we learned today. First one, 菜单 menu. 盘子 plate. 节目 program show TV program. 月亮 moon. 冰箱 refrigerator. 香蕉 banana. And we have one new idiom for today. Let's check what here. Last time we learned 知足常乐. Contentment brings happiness. So when you know what is sufficient enough, you can feel the happiness. 知足常乐. Today we learn a new one. 见风使舵. What does it mean? 见 it's to see. 风 it's a wind. 使 it's to use. And 舵 it's rudder. What does it rudder? Let's continue. I found. 舵 it's rudder, helm, or steering or wheel. So steering or wheel, for example, in a big ship, cruise liner, you can use 舵. So what does it mean? Go with the flow or adapt to the situation. Let's make a sense. So 见 is like to see or look at the wind. 见风 should adjust or use. 舵 the wheel or the rudder. So you need to adapt to new wind. Go with the flow or adapt to the situation. He adapt to the situation and it's very smart. 他见风使舵很聪明. He adapt to the situation 见风使舵 and very smart. 很聪明. 聪明 it's smart. So it's pretty good one. 见风使舵. 见风使舵. Okay, that's all for today. See you next one.